Hey everyone, welcome to Dream Cars. Today, we're unveiling the highly anticipated 2026 BMW X8. This luxury SUV is designed to redefine the meaning of performance, luxury, and technology. Let's take a closer look at what makes this flagship vehicle truly exceptional. Starting with the front, the 2026 BMW X8 carries the unmistakable BMW DNA. The front grille has been elevated, offering a wider, bolder look that adds to the car's commanding presence. The signature kidney grilles are larger, more prominent, and elegantly integrated into the sleek design of the vehicle. The grille isn't just about aesthetics, it also improves air intake, helping with engine cooling and overall performance. The adaptive LED headlights feature BMW's latest laser technology, giving the X8 not only a futuristic look but also superior visibility on the road. The sharp design of the headlights, paired with the car's sculpted hood, forms a dynamic front profile that's impossible to ignore. From the side, the 2026 BMW X8 presents an aerodynamic yet aggressive profile. Its coupe-like silhouette is enhanced by a flowing roofline and a high beltline that stretches seamlessly from the front to the rear. The sporty stance is emphasized by the sharp crease lines running along the body, adding to the car's muscular look. The 2026 BMW X8 sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels, which not only enhance its road presence but also ensure a smooth and dynamic ride. These wheels are paired with low-profile tires that offer exceptional grip and handling on any surface, whether it's urban streets or rugged terrains. Now, let's talk about the rear. The 2026 X8's rear end is just as dramatic as the front. BMW has designed sleek, elongated taillights with a signature L shape that immediately stands out. These taillights not only look futuristic but also enhance visibility, ensuring the car's presence is felt from every angle. The rear bumper is designed to be both elegant and functional, with integrated sensors and a sporty diffuser that improves airflow. Dual chrome exhaust tips complete the performance-oriented look, offering a subtle yet aggressive touch. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking a road trip, the 2026 BMW X8 has a rear end that perfectly complements its powerful performance. Inside, the 2026 BMW X8 is all about luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. The cabin features the finest leather upholstery, with an option for extended merino leather for those who want the absolute best. The driver and passenger seats are ergonomically designed to provide optimal comfort, whether you're driving for hours or embarking on a short trip. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest iDrive 8 system, which integrates a massive curved display that spans across the center console. This touchscreen serves as the nerve center of the vehicle, allowing you to control navigation, entertainment, climate control, and much more. It's intuitive, responsive, and offers seamless integration with your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Every surface inside the X8 is crafted from the highest quality materials, including fine wood trim, brushed metal, and soft touch leather. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the precision stitching on the seats to the sleek, modern design of the gear shift. In the rear cabin, the 2026 BMW X8 offers an unparalleled level of comfort. The seats are designed to provide ample legroom and excellent support, making this a great SUV for both family trips and business commutes. The rear seats are also equipped with individual climate controls, allowing passengers to tailor their comfort settings to their preference. A rear center console provides additional storage, and the X8 comes equipped with rear seat entertainment screens that allow passengers to enjoy movies or shows during long drives. The rear doors open wide, providing easy access, and the panoramic glass sunroof allows natural light to flood the cabin, enhancing the feeling of openness. When it comes to technology, the 2026 BMW X8 leaves nothing to be desired. BMW's iDrive 8 system integrates seamlessly with the car's 12.3-inch digital driver's display, providing a clear view of everything from speed to navigation instructions. The system is incredibly user-friendly, offering voice recognition and gesture controls to help you manage your settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The 2026 X8 also comes with a heads-up display, which projects important driving information directly onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Additionally, the SUV offers wireless charging for your devices, ensuring you stay connected and powered up on the go. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X8 offers multiple engine options to cater to different driving preferences. You can choose from a range of turbocharged engines, including a high-performance V8, which delivers an incredible amount of power and torque. With an all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, the X8 provides an unmatched driving experience, whether you're on a smooth highway or tackling off-road terrain. The dynamic driving modes allow you to adjust the X8's handling characteristics. Choose between comfort, sport, or eco mode to suit your driving style. Whether you're looking for a smooth, cushioned ride or a more performance-oriented experience, the X8 adapts to meet your needs. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW X8 is the ultimate expression of luxury, performance, and innovation. With its bold exterior design, opulent interior, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, the X8 stands as a true flagship in the luxury SUV segment. Thanks for joining us here at Dream Cars. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive reviews on the latest and greatest vehicles. Until next time, keep driving in style.